Okay, I've got a bit of a confession to make. I like battery chargers. I have no idea why I like battery chargers. I've got way too many battery chargers. I've got way too many battery testers. I don't hardly ever use batteries. I have no idea why I've got so many. But look what we've just received. We've got the Golisi S4 Battery Charger. We might as well do a review on it, haven't we? The Golisi S4 Smart Battery Charger is available from amazon.co.uk for £22.98 using Amazon Prime. So let's unbox the Golisi S4 Smart Charger. So get the lid off the box. So we receive the charger itself, which is quite a fair size for a charger. We've got a couple of power connectors on the back of the charger. Got a little bit of information on the back as well. So we get the charger, we get the user manual, and with a bit of luck this should be the power. Yep, and we get the power cable as well to power the battery charger. Okay, so the best way to test this battery charger is to put some batteries in there. So I've just found out a few batteries that I've got. So we've got various different rechargeable batteries. So this one's a 900 milliamp, that one's 1000, I presume this one's 1000 as well. So if I get my battery tester, let's run a quick test on this battery. So it's saying 1.26 volts. So if we look on the back of there, that should be, it's going to be low by the looks of it. So if we plug that into the charger, let's see what pops up. Okay, so immediately it's found the 64% battery. 65, so that's charging up now. Let's try the 1000 milliamp battery. So if I put that into the charger, well, the tester, sorry, we've got a reading of 1.22. So if we put that in, and it reckons we've got 27% on that battery, and finally we'll chuck this other battery in as well, which is shown as 1.25, so it should be a little bit more than the other one. Yep, so 41% there. So if we quickly pull this up, so that one's jumped to 62 already. So whether it didn't detect the battery correctly when I first put it in, that's a possibility. So this one's on 66, 27 on this one, 85 on the original battery that I put in. So I think the best thing to do here is maybe I should completely drain one of the batteries. We'll go to 0% and then we'll do a charge and we'll see how long it takes. Right, so I've drained the battery. This is going to be our test battery. So if I quickly run the test on the battery, it is showing us 1.16 volts, 1.15, and if we look on the back, that is showing as replace. So if we put this in the battery charger, let's run a test and see how long it takes to charge. So if we put that in there, right, immediately it's on 0. Right, it's up to 0.3, 0.6. Right, so it's initially charging very, very quickly. So the best thing to do now is leave this charging and we'll put a final time on, see how long it charged. Right, a quick update. We are literally 2 minutes in and we are up to 46% of this charging this battery. It went very, very rapidly. It has slowed down now. So I imagine it's going to take a while now. Something I do need to mention as well is you've got these display buttons on the side, which lights up the display and also changes these options underneath. So at the moment that's saying 1.40 volts. If we press the button, 0.023 milliamps, so I'm guessing that's telling you how much it's charged. and the time there, so it tells you how long it's been charging for. So at the moment this has been charging for 3 minutes and we're up to 46%. So we will check it again once we hit 100%. We will see how long it took to charge this battery and we'll run it in the battery tester. And there it is, the battery has charged to 100%. If we flick through, it took 36 minutes. So I think that's quite quick to charge the battery. So let's put the battery in the battery tester and we will see what it says now. Right, so I think it was on 1.16 before, something like that. 1.36, 1.37. Which, if we look on the back, is saying that it's good. So the battery has been charged up. Right, something else to mention about this battery charger. Just look how many batteries that it's compatible with. I mean, I would read them all out, but there's too many. So we got quadruple A batteries, triple A batteries, double A's, A's, SC, C. So as you can see, you're buying a very good battery charger here. One of the things I love about this battery charger is the percentage display. Because if I show you this, this was been my go-to battery charger. Which basically you get this symbol on the front which tells you how to charge the batteries. So you've got 3 bars, so you get an idea how full the battery is, whereas I much prefer something like this where you can actually see the percentage. The other benefit of this as well is you can probably do away with one of these battery testers as well. So if you're unsure how much charge you've got left in the battery, so for example if I grab this battery here and put that in, okay, I can see immediately I've got 38% battery. So having this battery charger, you can do away with battery testers. It pretty much tests the battery as well. So the final thoughts on the battery charger. It's, to be honest, it's my go-to battery charger now. This has just beaten everything hands down that I've got. Just the fact that you probably don't even need the battery tester anymore, because you've got the LCD display which tells you how much percentage is left in the battery. I really do like the feature as well where you can press the display button on the side and it tells you how long it's took to charge a battery. I love the fact that it charges up so many different battery types, which tells you on the back of the box what it can charge up. I would completely recommend this battery charger. Obviously it's a little bit more expensive than the other battery chargers that are out on the market at the moment, but you do get what you pay for, and if you want quality, this is it. And my star rating for the Golisi S4 Battery Charger will be 9 stars out of 10. If you like the content that's been created on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in the bottom right of each of the videos.